Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the most dangerous heavy equipment machinery. These machines are indispensable in industries like construction, mining, forestry, and agriculture, performing tasks that humans alone couldn't achieve. Let's get started. One of the most formidable pieces of heavy equipment is the bulldozer. This machine, with its massive blade and tracks, is designed to push large quantities of soil, sand, rubble, or other materials. Bulldozers are essential in construction and mining, where they clear land and move heavy loads. However, their sheer size and power make them extremely dangerous. Operating a bulldozer requires precise control, as any miscalculation can lead to catastrophic accidents, such as crushing or overturning, posing severe risks to operators and nearby workers. Excavators are another category of heavy machinery that presents significant dangers. These machines, equipped with powerful hydraulic arms and various attachments like buckets, breakers, and grapples, are used for digging, demolition, and material handling. The flexibility and strength of excavators make them invaluable on construction sites, but they also come with inherent hazards. The risk of collapsing trenches, swinging attachments, and operating in close proximity to other workers can lead to serious injuries or fatalities. Moreover, the complex controls and the need for high precision in operation add to the potential for accidents. Cranes, towering above construction sites, are among the most dangerous heavy equipment machinery. These machines are used to lift and move heavy loads vertically and horizontally. The risks associated with cranes are numerous, including the potential for load drops, crane collapses, and contact with power lines. Crane operators must be highly skilled and aware of their surroundings at all times. Wind, weather conditions, and ground stability also play crucial roles in safe crane operation. Any failure in communication, judgment, or equipment can lead to devastating consequences. The mining industry relies heavily on large-scale machinery, with some of the most dangerous equipment being haul trucks and drag lines. Haul trucks are enormous vehicles used to transport large quantities of mined materials. Their massive size and weight make them difficult to maneuver, and visibility is often limited for operators. The risk of collisions, rollovers, and brake failures are ever-present dangers. Drag lines, used for surface mining, are colossal machines with large buckets used to remove overburden or to excavate. The immense power and moving parts of drag lines pose risks of entanglement, mechanical failures, and falling debris, all of which can be fatal. Forestry operations involve the use of dangerous heavy machinery like feller bunchers and skidders. Feller bunchers are used to cut and gather trees before processing. These machines must navigate through dense forests, often on uneven terrain, making them prone to tipping over. The powerful saws and grapple arms can cause severe injuries if not handled correctly. Skidders, used to transport logs from the forest to a loading area, face similar risks. The combination of steep slopes, heavy loads, and unstable ground increases the likelihood of accidents, including rollovers and collisions. Agricultural machinery, such as combine harvesters and tractors, also ranks among the most dangerous equipment. Combine harvesters, used to harvest crops efficiently, have numerous moving parts that can cause serious injuries. The risk of entanglement in the cutting mechanisms, or augers, is a constant threat. Tractors, while versatile and essential on farms, can be dangerous due to their tendency to roll over on uneven terrain or slopes. The power takeoff, PTO shaft, which transmits power from the tractor to attached implements, is another hazard that can cause severe injuries if proper safety measures are not followed. The oil and gas industry employs various heavy machinery, including drilling rigs and hydraulic fracturing equipment, which are fraught with danger. Drilling rigs, used to drill wells for oil and gas extraction, operate under high pressure and involve complex mechanical systems. Blowouts, equipment failures, and fires are significant risks associated with drilling operations. Hydraulic fracturing, or fracking, involves pumping high-pressure fluid into rock formations to extract oil or gas. The high-pressure pumps and the handling of chemicals pose serious risks of explosions, leaks, and exposure to hazardous substances. Another vital but dangerous machine is the asphalt paver, used in road construction. This equipment lays asphalt on roads, bridges, and parking lots. The process involves extremely high temperatures, and the operator must manage both the machinery and the molten asphalt. The risks include burns, inhalation of fumes, and being struck by the machine if it is not operated carefully. Moreover, working alongside other heavy equipment in confined spaces increases the chances of accidents. Pile drivers are another hazardous type of heavy machinery, commonly used in the construction of foundations for buildings, bridges, and other structures. These machines drive piles into the ground to provide structural support. The operation involves immense force and heavy materials, creating risks such as falling objects, equipment malfunctions, and noise-induced hearing loss. Operators and nearby workers must wear protective gear and follow strict safety protocols to avoid injury. Tunneling machines or tunnel boring machines, TBMs, are essential for creating tunnels through various types of terrain, including rock and soil. These gigantic machines use a rotating cutting wheel to excavate material, which is then transported out of the tunnel. TBMs are incredibly powerful and complex, and the confined underground environment adds to their danger. Risks include cave-ins, equipment failure, and exposure to harmful gases. The operation of TBMs requires specialized training and strict adherence to safety measures to prevent accidents. Concrete pumps are another type of heavy machinery that poses significant risks. These machines are used to transfer liquid concrete from the mixer to the construction site. The high-pressure pumping system can cause hose bursts or splashes, leading to severe injuries. Additionally, the setup and operation of concrete pumps involve working with heavy, unwieldy hoses and pipes, which can lead to strains, falls, or crush injuries if not handled properly. In the maritime industry, heavy machinery such as ship loaders and unloaders are crucial but hazardous. These machines are used to load and unload bulk materials, such as coal, ore, and grain, from ships. The massive scale and weight of the materials, combined with the mechanical complexity of the loaders, create risks of crushing, falling objects, and equipment failure. Workers must coordinate closely and follow safety protocols to avoid accidents. In conclusion, the most dangerous heavy equipment machinery, while essential for various industries, poses significant risks due to their immense power and complexity. Bulldozers, excavators, cranes, haul trucks, drag lines, feller bunchers, skidders, combine harvesters, tractors, drilling rigs, hydraulic fracturing equipment, asphalt pavers, pile drivers, tunneling machines, concrete pumps, ship loaders, aircraft tugs, and deicing vehicles all require skilled operation and stringent safety measures to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of workers. As technology continues to evolve, it offers new tools and methods to enhance safety. But the fundamental need for rigorous training, adherence to safety protocols, and constant vigilance remains paramount. Understanding and respecting the power of these machines is crucial for mitigating risks and protecting lives in industrial settings.